Well, hello, my MLB 9 innings peeps. I am back to do a pack opening today. I went and bought some signature player packs as well. I'll show you what I got so far. I went ahead and bought the off-season Pass A, which gives me the Team Select signature pack. And this is how I've got so far, how far I got on that. Obviously, there'll be some other sig packs I'll be getting later on in the week. So I'll be back to do some more of those. Let's see, I also went and bought, let's see here, let me find it, Stage Challenge package. Gives me another Team Select sig pack. So I went ahead and bought that as well. Okay, so but I'll probably end up doing some premium player packs again today too. And I'm getting closer to my goal of 200 ultimate player packs. When I reach 200, I'm 15 shy. When I reach 200, I'm going to open up 100 of those. Let's see here. I got 57 Team Select packs. When I get 100 Team Select packs, I'm going to open up all 100 of them. And I have 46 premium vintage player packs. When I get 100 of those, I'm going to open up all those in one shot. That one's going to take a while though. Although I just got one in League Master mode. Let's see here. Let's start with the premium player packs, and then after this, I'll do 100 of these. Then after this, I'll do the signature player packs. So let's get this started. Okay. First 10. No primes. No legends. Okay. Next 10. No primes, no legends, and of course no diamonds. Okay, we're gonna go for 30. Still no diamonds. Still no prime. All silvers. Okay. Okay, let's do 40. Oh, I finally got a diamond. Let's see who the diamond is. Okay. Let's do 50. Still no primes. No big deal. Okay, let's do 60. Still no primes. Through 60 of them. Alright, let's do 70. Oh, another diamond. Okay, no primes. Through 70 packs. My colors. Okay, let's do 80. Still no primes. Wow. Okay. Let's do 90. Okay, here we go with 100. Another diamond. So 3 diamonds, no primes, no legends. But 3 diamonds. Okay. Alright. Let's go up here. Let's see, I got 1 special signature pack, I got 4 regular signature packs, and then I got 2 Team Selective signature packs I'm going to open. Now that unique exclusive I'm saving, obviously, because that one's a very special one. So let's do the special one first. No diamond. Okay, we're not going to peek, we're just going to open. Let's see, we've got Lindor, Baez, and Trevor Story. We'll take Trevor Story because he's gold. Okay. Now the regular signature player packs we're going to open up at just one at a time. Okay, silver. Okay, I got a vintage. Keep using. Give me a diamond. Nope. Another silver. Let's see, Zach Eflin. Okay, one more. Still no diamond. Okay. Boston Red Sox. One more. No diamond. We got a gold this time, though. Well, that's cool. Okay. Rogers. Okay, so no Dodgers in that. Alright, we're going to go do some combos, and then we'll come back and do the 2 signature team selective packs. Let's go do some combos first. Okay, let's separate these guys by grade. Of course, we're not going to do the signature combos yet. Okay, see what we get. Okay, I got a diamond out of that. I'm going to make sure I don't touch any of their signatures just yet. Let's see. If we can get any prime show up here. Nope, not yet. Keep going. Still no primes. Look at all the diamonds though. Got some diamonds that showed up. Let's see if I can snag one of them. Nope. Oh well, no big deal. Moving right along. Some more diamonds, but no primes. I got Muncie. Cool. Okay, moving right along. Get rid of this last diamond. Still no primes. Got another diamond. Okay, get rid of Muncie. We got some more diamonds popped up. Okay, missed it that time. Okay, so we'll do a gold and 2 silver. Alright, moving right along. Gold, 2 silver. Gold, 2 silver. Alright, there's Judge. Moving right along. I would love to get the new Ohtani. I still want to get the Mookie Betts signature that could play second base. And replace Turner. And then maybe a couple of relief pitchers I wouldn't mind getting. Gosh. No primes yet. Alright. Moving right along. And also, if I got a duplicate Dodger, then I would have I'll be able to do a crafting. But I'm hoping not to dupe. I'm hoping to get 2 that I don't have, and at least 1 that I can actually use. If I can get 2 I could use, that obviously that would be awesome, but if I can get at least 1 I could use and 1 that's not a dupe, I'd be happy. Whether it be through the packs or combos. Or possibly a craft pack, but we'll see what happens. And I'm getting close to being able to get one through the mileage system. Getting close to that as well. I think I'm all used all my golds, regular golds. Okay, all silvers. Let's do this. Let's go down towards the end here. Gosh, I didn't realize I had that many silvers. Let's just start doing some of these. Just get through this as quickly as possible so I can go open up those 2 team selective SIG packs. I'm really hoping I get something good out of them, because here of late I have not. So let's hope I can. Okay, go back this way. Grab one of these guys and two of these. Still no primes. Not a single prime has showed up. And that's something. No big surprise. Moving right along. So I hope everybody's doing fine tonight on this nice Saturday evening. Hope you're all having fun. Me, I'm at work, so I'm having fun because they're paying me to play my game. Can't get any better than that. Look at that, too, the same guy. Alright, let's go back to all silvers. Give me a bronze. No big deal. Alright. Okay. Still no primes. Wow. I am kind of surprised I haven't seen a prime yet. But it happens. Not that it's any big deal, because I wouldn't use them anyway, no matter who it is. Be interesting to see what new primes they do come out with, though. I will have to say that. It would be interesting. They came out with their SIGs, finally. And I don't think they're doing their recruit a player this year like they have the last several years, because I think by now they've already started it if they were going to do it. And they have not. So, okay. That's it for the combos for now, so let's go back. Hope somebody open up a pack. Jock Peterson, San Francisco. Ricky Henderson. Alright, let's get in it. Get in it. Alright, well, here we go. Pack number 1. Come on, give me something I don't already have. And give me a diamond. Of course not. Okay, we're not going to peek. We're just going to open it. Sea Park. I've gotten him before. And I used him for a craft, so now I have him again, but this time I'm going to keep him because of that unique exclusive one I have, because that means when I open that I absolutely cannot get him under any circumstances. So let's go for the next one. Let's try to get a diamond. Come on, give me a diamond. Come on, give me a diamond. Come on, come on, come on. Nope. Oh well. Another silver, no peak. We're just going to open. Corey Seager, another one that I will not use, but I do not have. So now it helps out my unique exclusive, because that's 2 more that I cannot get under any circumstances when I go to open that. So that's good. Okay, well, I believe that might be it for now. Yeah, that'll be it for now. When I get to 200 Ultimate Player Packs, I will open them. When I get to 100 silver packs, I will open them. Now, that's not such a big deal, but you could still get a legendary player from a silver pack, so it's worth do a pack opening for that reason alone. Now, as far as these premium batter packs and the premium pitcher packs, I'm waiting to get 100 of them as well. Now, you know that is going to take forever and a day to get 100 of them, but eventually I will get them. Actually, let's open up this Ultimate Team Selective. We'll do that. Let's see what happens. No diamond. Just a regular player. Gagne. No, I would love to get his signature. He's one of the signatures that I would like to get. And he is one of the reasons why I bought this unique exclusive signature pack. So let's see what else we got here that I might potentially open real quick. Anything at all? No, I think that would be it for today. Okay, well, thanks for hanging around. Didn't get one I could use, but two that helps me get closer to my goal of narrowing players down so that I can use my unique exclusive. And then there's also another one I could buy through, now hopefully I won't have to do that because it's $100. This one, or not, yeah, not that one. Where was it? The League Master one, this one. I could also do that one. I haven't bought it yet, but I could, because that's also a unique exclusive. So it's the same as that other one. So when I open that pack, it'll only give me choices of players that I don't already have. Anyway, well, I hope that was interesting enough for you guys to want to watch it. Until next time, have a good one.